Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can trade the head and shoulder pattern through a live example. So let's go on in some small details. The head and shoulder pattern is a reversal formation. It can be found on the top of the waves or on the bottom of the waves. So when we see this pattern, this is signaling that the trend is changing. So this is how it is usually formed. As you can see, we have this head and shoulder pattern here at the top. This is the way how the pattern begins the creation. And the bearish one is that when the price is moving down, it begins to create the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and after that price keeps moving higher. I will show you also in a real-time example. It's very simple pattern. The first one is called the head and shoulder pattern, and the second one for the bearish movement is called the inverse head and shoulder pattern. The first one that we are looking at here in red, this is signaling that the trend is changing, is close to the end, and this is going to move down. And the second one is showing to us that probably the trend that is coming down is close to the end of the movement and the price should continue moving higher. The confirmation for the head and shoulder pattern, it comes when the price will break below the neckline. So the black line that I placed is the neckline of the pattern, and once the price breaks below this neckline, it will confirm that the new trend has begun or a possible correction movement. This is the same in both these movements, as we can see. So it's very simple pattern and you can distinguish it very well in trends. So today I'm gonna show you in a real-time example in Bitcoin, and you will see a very strange formation here. We are looking at a double pattern overall. The first one that we are going to look at is this pattern here, the bigger one that the price is actually creating. And as we can see, this is how it is formed. This is not a horizontal neckline as I draw it. This is another type of example where the neckline has a slope, and we can see also a pattern that is coming down. So what can happen in this scenario? Because this is very tricky where we are actually now, we can see that the price can keep moving lower from this point, and it can test the low of the structure probably, or somewhere close to the middle of the structure. So this is a possible scenario for Bitcoin on the actual situation for this real-time example. But what can happen on the opposite side? So on the opposite side that is making this trade a little bit tricky overall, we can see that we have also a potential pattern here that the price is creating. This is called a potential head and shoulder pattern, because we don't know yet if the price will move above the neckline. So we don't know if price will move above this small neckline here. So what can happen? For the time being, the chances are that the price can continue moving down, but if we will see the price jumping back up above the neckline, it will continue moving higher in this direction. So once the price will move above 29,400, it will continue moving higher, and after that we can see the price testing these areas here up close to 30k, that corresponds to the first small structure, and the next target will be probably the top of the right shoulder here for the bullish scenario. For the bearish scenario that has higher chances right now, the chances are that the price can continue moving lower from where it is now because we don't have the small pattern yet, and it can continue moving lower. So both of these are possible scenario, and overall this is a very difficult way of trading, how the price is developing right now. So as we are looking at here in this example, we have a double combination, a bigger pattern and a smaller pattern for the reversal of the trend. The reversal of the trend for the small one will come with the small pattern when the price will jump above this small neckline. So it looks really interesting how the price may develop here. Also, as we can see, the overall structure is very strong, so it can hold because also the price is not moving lower than this point here, so we can see it moving higher again and to expand the overall picture. Thank you for watching, and hope you'll find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.